There's a number of climates in the world where it's hard to bring cannabis to its full potential outdoors. For example, where I live in the West Kootenays of British Columbia, we see a lot of winter and our summer season is pretty short. Therefore, it becomes really necessary that we produce a lot of our cannabis indoors. There's other benefits to gardening cannabis indoors. One of my maxims is plants love consistency. So when we garden indoors, we are able to get into the Goldilocks zone every day. We have our climate control systems in place so that we can have the perfect lights on temperature, the perfect lights off temperature. For in Fahrenheit, 80 to 85 degrees, lights on, 70, 72 degrees, lights off. We can dehumidify the space if it's too humid. We can humidify it if it's too dry. We can keep our humidity in a perfect zone of about 50% RH. For example, if we get spider mites, we can raise the humidity to 60% to slow down the reproductive rate of the spider mites. This climate control allows us to be constantly in the optimum place. Our lighting, we're able to control that perfectly. So in other words, every day is the same. That's not something that we experience in even the best of climates for the most part. So that is why I personally feel that indoor produced plant material is usually of a little bit higher quality, higher potency than outdoor material. I personally prefer indoor grown cannabis. I often found that the outdoor produced material is a little harsher, it doesn't have quite the flavor profile that I'm looking for, and it's often a little weaker. So somebody like myself that was raised on indoor grown cannabis, I've come to have a preference for it. And like I say, you know, when these plants are given a consistently optimum environment, they are really able to max out their potential. So that's why people garden indoors.